Hello everyone, welcome to my Baduk Cafe. This is the second part of my new book, Mastering Basic Corner Shapes Step by Step. Have you seen these shapes? The L plus 1 group. Last time we talked about the basic L shape. Plus now you can see the legs, one leg. There are two different shapes with one leg. You can see the left side and right side. So we can see this shape very often. So let's study this shape, how to kill, how to save. It's very useful, so study hard with me and use in your game. So number 1, you can see the L shape basic. So I say, usually my student, please cut the leg. That means black can play like this. Then white doesn't have leg anymore. I mean, white has now L shape, basic L shape. That means this group is dead. So you can make L shape, then this group is dead. So let's check here. If white plays there, you know the vital point last time we studied, right? In the middle, and there are two possibilities, but which one is better, honey or push? Of course, reduce, and this is better. Last time I told you this one is bent 4 in the corner. Of course, it's also possible, but later if white has done this side, you need to answer. And who knows, there is carrying point. If there is semi-eye or capturing lace, you have some problem. So it's easier and clear. How about answering here? Where is the vital point? You know, in the middle. And here you can push like this or push here and throw in. That's also possible. Simple, right? How about number 2? It's different L shape, but I told you cut the leg. That means honey, but the other way. I mean here honey. So here you can see basic L shape and you cut the leg and this group is dead. Don't play this way. You can play there, of course, and then you try to kill, but it depends on the outside. In this case, this group is dead, but who knows? There is cutting point and white can use the Aussie. So easy way is just play honey. Then, for example, this one, you know, the vital point in the middle and this group is dead. The other way it works, but it's not the best way. Band 4. Or what can I do? Here you can reduce and capture. This one we practiced last time. So now the numbers 3 and 4 both are also L shape plus one leg. Let's start number 3. So usually many people try inside, but as I told you, always think about outside. If it doesn't work, you can try inside. But in this case, you can play perfectly honey. And here, middle, you know, like this. Or here, middle. So you can kill easily. So there is nothing white can do. But we try usually like this or something like this and something like that. That's too complicated. Of course, you can play there and this and this. You can kill. But as I told you, if there is stone outside, white can save. I mean connect. So better don't play inside, outside. Or what happened? For example, yeah, I saw many times this move. That looks cool, I know, but that's not good because you have to kill like this. And if you try to save, there is, yes, like that, throwing. Of course, you can make a call, but we can kill with a call. So that's so complicated. Easily, honey, finish. How about number 4? It's also same. So how can you kill? You can play honey. That's it. So number 1, left upper, right lower is same shape. It looks different, but same shape. So here, vital point reduce. Of course, you can play also like that. It's bent for, yeah, this is that anyway. So, but this habit is better, reduce. Or if white plays there, middle and push or push. That's it. You don't need to try something like this. Maybe it worked like that, but it's hard to find the correct way. So, or this one we play often. Of course, it works too. But as I told you, better reduce. Okay, so that was not so difficult. Cut the one leg, play honey. That's it. So I can show you here. Different L plus 1 group shape. So can you see the difference? We have to know how to save. Actually, white should answer, right? But how? How can you save? That's also important. So here, first this shape, we can play this one. Easy. Like that and this. There is nothing. That's the bottom point. But of course, you can play there and there. You can save like that. But usually, we play this one. But not like this because there is this kind of vital point and black can make a call. So 2-2, I recommend you. And the left side. Is it also good? Not in this case because here there is Azi in the corner. What's this? It's usually Seki. If you play there, oh no, that's band 4. You cannot play Atari, so capture, that's band 4. That's why you shouldn't play this one. Of course, you say, I can make a call. Why not? But black is happy. You cannot play there. Of course, it's not direct call. You can capture, and black needs to play core thread and capture. If white plays core thread, then black can make a call, direct call. So we say here one step call. So there is this kind of aji. So why not? You don't need to give aji, just play there, and there's nothing. Yeah, you can save. Yeah, it's different a little bit. Right side, you can play 2-2. Left side, here 2-1. Okay, but if you wanna kill, just cut the leg, honey, and honey. Is it clear? Very good. Wonderful. So I hope it helped you. And next time, I will show you L plus 1 group plus 1 honey. What does it mean? Honey here, this shape. And then this shape. if white has honey, is it different or not? Because yeah, there are always different shape in our game, so we have to know that different shapes. Okay, enjoy the go and see you next time. Bye bye.